Hello friend, welcome to Chat GPT series. Today we are going to see how do we get started with Chat GPT and how do we sign up and how do we register, and from there how we can access the APIs, and also we can even see the built-in UI to use the bare minimum functionalities from Chat GPT. Okay, so with that, right, let me open a new browser and type Chat GPT. So you can see very first link, OpenAI. Just click on that and you see that, right, Chat GPT. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will take you to the Chat GPT UI. So you can see it's showing as a capacity. It's a full capacity right now, so that's not an issue. So let's try once more. Click on the Chat GPT. Now it goes to the sign in or sign up screen. Click on the sign up screen. It will take valid email ID. So okay, this is my mail ID. I'm not a robot. Continue. I need to set in a password possibly. Okay, at least 8 characters should be there. Once you click on the continue, it will take you to the next page and it will show the screen where it will ask you to verify your email. So you just need to open the Gmail and go to the mail, and you will get a mail from OpenAI. You just need to click verify, so it will be ready for you. Here you go. Once you successfully verify your Gmail ID, it will take you to the screen. This is the actual main home screen for anyone to get started with OpenAI ChatGPT. So let me quickly check. Tell me about India. So let's see what ChatGPT did. So here you go. India is in the country in South Asia, known for its diverse culture and blah blah blah. So this is how ChatGPT works. So you can use it for day-to-day interaction and getting the complete details about your information, and also you can generate the code out of it. Let's see a sample example how it will generate in code. For example, Python code to convert CSV data to a JSON. There should be enough. Let's try. Alright, it's showing here an example. Fantastic. You can see that it is generating an runtime application, runtime code for you. You just need to copy this code and paste it into your application, and you should be able to get started with this. That's the power of ChatGPT. Alright, with this I would like to conclude this video and hope you enjoyed the video and you are able to create your own account and get started with ChatGPT. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share and like this video. And in the next video we'll see how better we can utilize this ChatGPT to build our own applications and how quickly we can build application. Thank you so much for watching.